Alright, good evening everybody. This is Tink with FairXchanged. Tonight is September 12th, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're about to do our eBay excuse me, our eBay mixer. We got 6 boxes tonight. We have 2021 Sage Premier Draft, 3 autos in that one. We have 2021 Onyx Vintage Football, which is 2 autos in this one. We have 2021 Leaf Trinity Football, which is 5 autographs in that one. That should be pretty fun. We have 2021 Leaf Flash Football, 5 autos in that one as well. We have 2021 Chronicles Draft Picks. Looks like it's 1 autograph on average in this one. That should be pretty cool. I haven't seen these yet this year, so I'm a little eager to see those. And we have our 2021 TriStar Autograph Football Mini Helmet, which we will most likely do last. Alright, appreciate everybody for joining. Your list is on the screen. I wish everybody good luck. We're going to start with 2021 Sage. Alright, these guys are in their collegiate uniform, so they go to the team that they currently play for. If they're not on a team, they will be randomized amongst everybody in the break. So, good luck. This is 2021 Sage Premier Draft. A pretty good day of football. Hope everybody enjoyed watching their teams come out the gate. Of course, mine came out like it always do and lost. So that wasn't too good, but hopefully they'll get it together. The Saints look real good. I enjoyed watching them guys. Alright, here's our autos. I think, yep, slide it to the side. We can go through our regular packs. A bunch of rookies. All these rookies will be sleeved up, and they will make sure that they go to their proper teams. My partner will make sure of that. And the hits, we will make sure during the break we let you know where they go. So you will know. See if I can get some focus here. My lighting is terrible. Probably should have worked on that before the break, but I didn't. So here we go. Alright, we have Peyton Ramsey, Kyle Trask, next level, Rondale Moore, Cade Johnson, Brevin Jordan, another Peyton Ramsey. This is the base. Let's see. Let me get one of these parallels so you guys can see if you haven't seen this product yet. This is like a silver metal type parallel. And these are the base. Caleb Farley, Nashawn Wright, Jamon Osborne, Micah Parsons. Looked pretty good the other night. Kenny Randall and Gregory Rousseau. Alright, there goes now Russo. That's the silver medal. Quentin Morris, silver as well. Sage Sherrod, Dylan Stoner, Trey Lance. That's a nice one. 49ers. Next level, Demetric Felton, Michael Strachan, Jalen Twyman, Dalen Hayes, Kalen Hill, Aubrey Thomas, and Cameron McGrone. Alright, we got anybody? See, we got those people watching. Normally, if you talk, you'll have better luck, so you never know. Alright, we got Jordan Smith, Kalen Hill, Kenneth Gainwell, Jalen Camp, Kyle Trask, Siobhan Holland, Shane Simpson, Rashad Bateman, Quentin Morris, Dayo, that guy, Tyson Campbell, and Dedrick Mills. Alright, we got Siobhan Holland, Rashad Bateman, that guy, Rashad Bateman again, Elijah Griffin, Trey Lance, number 2. Alright, we got Sam Ellinger, Sage Sherratt, Joseph Asai, Jonathan Adams Jr., Dalen Hayes, and Pat Fairmouth. Alright, the last pack of our rookies before we get to our autos. Alright, we got Sage Sherratt, Ernest Brown IV, Hunter Long, Chitaris Atwell, I believe they call him Tutu, Nico Collins, Smith Marset, Daz Newsome, Nico Collins again, J.C. Horn, Next Level, Riley Cole, Jamie Newman, and Sean Byer, which is a little dinged up at the bottom. Alright, that was our packs, and now for our hits. Let's see who we got. 3 autos here. See if we can get us a good one. First up, we're going to do our base one because we got a couple parallels. Myron Mitchell, wide receiver. See if he landed on his feet. Myron Mitchell. Going to Minnesota. So the Vikings first on the board with the Myron Mitchell auto. Minnesota tonight is Derek. Look, and your name is highlighted already. A little foreshadowing for Derek M. Congrats. Alright, next up, we have a red parallel cornerback, Elijah Molden. Elijah Molden. Red parallel auto. Cornerback for the Tennessee Titans, who got a spanking today. Hopefully they'll tighten up a little bit. Titans today, Jason B. There you go, Jason. Elijah Molden. And our last one, our 2021 Sage, Tavante Beckett. Tavante Beckett, linebacker for the Detroit Lions. Davis G. There you go, G. Tavante Beckett going to Detroit. So there you go. No free agents. Everybody got a team. That's how I like it. Congrats. Alright, let's do some draft picks. Let's do some Chronicles draft picks. I haven't seen these. I'm itching to get into them. So let's do it. 5 packs, 12 packs per box. Packaged pretty well. Alright, allow packs. Our empty box. Alrighty, good luck. It's our first pack, starting from the bottom. A nice rookie at the bottom of this one. Alright, there we go. Jamie Newman. We got Pat Fairmouth. Like a legacy. This is Rashad Bateman, one of Baltimore. The Chronicles legacy. I really do like Chronicles. Nice one. Had a nice day today. Devonta Smith. Going to the Eagles with the Illusions. The Chronicles Illusion. There you go, Eagles. And at the bottom, out of the first pack. Didn't have such a great day today, but he'll get better. Trevor Lawrence. Select. Chronicles Select. That's a nice one. There you go with the Lawrence Select. Nice first pack. I go Devonta again for the Eagles. This one is Don Ruff. Alright, we got who that? Chitaris Atwell. Tutu's back again. Nice one. Trey Lance, Legacy Chronicle rookie. '49ers. And behind him, XR, Zach Wilson. See if I can clean this up a little bit. All of them look so different. That's my best we're going to do. That's a nice card. I don't know why these cards don't sell well. These are such a great product, man. I really do. And that's a nice one. Rated rookie Terrence Marshall Jr. Terrence Marshall Jr. This is some kind of parallel because it's nice and thick, like a orange parallel maybe. Going to Carolina. A nice rated rookie. Optic. Pretty nice colors of these things. Alright, we got Trey Sermon, score rookie. Another Devonta Smith. You might get all the Devonta Smiths. This one is Prestige. So there you go. So this guy, we have Chuba Hubbard. Chuba. And a status. Tutu Atwell. So they got the Tutu on this one. There you go. Chitaris. Status. And our flux is Sean Wade. Nice one. Alright, we got, who is that? Larry Roundtree. Jalen Waddle. Devonta Smith. See, I told you, probably get every last variation before it's over with. Nice recon, Jamie Newman. And rated rookie, Optic, Rashad Bateman, going to Baltimore. Yeah, so the other one was an orange parallel, so that was pretty cool. There you go, that's your Bateman, Baltimore. Like I said, all these cards will be sleeved. Let's do some of them. Some of my favorite guys, I'll make sure they get in there. Alright, we got Chuba Hubbard.
That's pretty cool. Donruss card. What's all look like that? 2020?
Yeah, we probably want to Rondale Moore, since our distributor want to be so tight with those. So. We'll see. Alright, we got Kyle Pitts, Legacy, Atlanta. Oh, we got Justin Fields, Recon, Chicago. Should be on the field now, but instead they're going with Andy Dalton for some reason. But there you go, Chicago. And a nice one. Jalen Waddle, Spectra. There you go. That's Miami. Alright, we're still looking for our hit. That's nice cards that came out so far. Alright, we got Javonte Williams. Kyle Trask. What was that? Michael Carter. Oh, he got hurt, man. That's still a nice card. Travis Etienne. Jacksonville. Got the Illusions. And this one is a Prism. Nico Collins. Spectra Prism. Going to the Texans. Houston on the board with the Silver Prism. Nico. No one's talking to me tonight. But I get it. Y'all probably watching a bunch of different breakers tonight. So much going on today. Alright, we got Kyle Trask. Michael Carter. This one definitely a different color than the last one. Kyle Trask again. Tampa Bay. Mac Jones. There you go. New England. Your first Mac. I know this ain't the one you're looking for, but it's a start. Warming them up. Patriots. And there's old Devonta. I told you can get the whole Devonta Smith Chronicles set, which is always cool. Get in the break and get some nice cards. Even better since he had a good day today. The Eagles looked really good, but the Falcons probably just looked that bad. We'll see. I go Waddle again. Prestige. And our hit. I never heard of this guy, but it is Richard. Some French guy. Richard the Third. Extra points. Prestige. Rookie auto. Going to Cleveland. The Browns on the board. Who are the Browns tonight? Dun, 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 dun. Terry J. There you go, Terry. With the Richard III. Extra points, Prestige auto. Alright, it's Cleveland on the board. We got another Jalen Waddle. Legacy this time. Orange parallel. Maybe gold, but looks orange. Kyle Pitts. ATL. With the XR parallel. Nice. And Tutu's back on the Spectra. Who Tutu plays with? Since we got so many. Let's see where he goes. Okay, the Rams. There are your Tutus for the Rams. We got one Lawrence, got a Jones. Alright, we got Aziz. That's about all I'm going to try to say. Mr. Russo. Kadarius Toney. First one of those I've seen. For the football Giants. And Chris Evans, XR. Out of Michigan. Nice one. Now select Michael Carter. Tar Heel. I'm not sure about the Richard III guy. Maybe he's some good. Alright, we got Elijah Moore. Rondell Moore. Black. Nice cards though. There go another Mac. The return of the Mac. Legacy this time. There you go, New England. Javonte Williams. Status. Another Tar Heel. Going to the Broncos. So Denver. And ATL's back with the Flux Cal Pitts. Might be a parallel, but I'm not sure, so I'm not going to say it is. But still a nice card. There you go, Atlanta. Alright, 2 packs to go. 2021 Chronicles. See if I can get some more of this. I definitely like. I'm going to open some myself. I like these. Alright, we got Tamarion Terry. Cool name. Tamarion. Jamar Chase. Had a decent day today. Helped my DraftKings lineup, I'll tell you that. Jamar. Cincinnati. And we got Kalen Hill. And Caleb Farley right behind him with the Recon. Nice optic. Rated rookie. Jalen Waddle. Go along with the rest of your Waddles. Alright, last pack. And Jalen Waddle. Caleb Farley. ETN is back with the legacy this time. Nice one. Back to back. Status. Travis Etienne. Uh-oh. Jaguars. Getting some nice ones. And Mr. Fields on the Spectra. Chicago. Probably turn the game on. He probably be in the game time I finish this break. Bad as Dalton was looking. Alright, that was 2021 Chronicles draft picks. Alright, let's get into our 2021 Onyx Vintage Football. 2 autos. And I believe 2 rookies. Pulled some nice redemptions out of it so far. We had a couple of cases of it. I haven't seen none of the huge guys yet, so maybe tonight's the night. Some nice short print autos. We got a couple of 25. Alright, 2021 Onyx Vintage Football. I'll be careful how I open these because they sure don't package very well, but some nice cards in there, on-card autos. Alright, first up, we have Levi O, University of Washington. Let's see if he has a home. And he's going to Detroit for the Lions. Back on the board again with the Levi O, defensive lineman. Our next rookie, Dylan Moses, linebacker, going to Jacksonville. There you go, Dylan Moses. Our first hit, on-card auto, Demetric Felton. Cleveland back on the board again. The back-to-back autos. Cleveland. Terry J with your second one. There you go. Demetric Felton. And a nice quarterback, Sam Ehlinger, going to Indianapolis. The Colts on the board with the Sam Ehlinger, University of Texas. Gunslinger. Colts. Who's the Colts tonight? Gav J. There you go, Gav. All right. Moving right along, let's do some Leaf Flash. Alright, I'm about to knock down my iPad. Alright, Leaf Flash. I'm sorry, Leaf Flash. Leaf Flash. 5 autos in this one. Let me go while I can still talk. Alright, Leaf Flash. Probably not. If you're laughing at me, I'm sure you done something.
A lot of letters.
Yeah, huge box. At least they had top loaders for this product. So, alright, first up, I've seen this guy already a few times. This time it's an auto, purple parallel auto, Nico Collins. Nice and shiny. I love the flash. I love the flash. This is 27 of 50. Houston. The Texans on the board again. Derek with the purple parallel, 27 of 50, Nico Collins. Congrats. Next up, I haven't seen this guy before. Who is that? Tadarrell Slayton. Tadarrell Slayton. 27 of 75. Tadarrell Slayton. Let's see who he played for. Green Bay. Yeah, he didn't have the best of days because nobody on that team there. There you go. Green Bay on the board. Green Bay tonight is Terry J. Here we go. This is very shiny. Andre Cisco. You can see it down there at the bottom, very small. Mr. Cisco. It's just super shiny, but I don't see any number, but it is very shiny. XRC Flash Rookie. I'm not seeing no number on it though. Jacksonville. The Jaguars getting the Andre Cisco. Jacksonville tonight is Thomas S. Congrats, Thomas, with the Andre Cisco. Super flashy, super shiny. Oh my. Oh my gracious. There we go. Tutu is back. Tutu Atwell. 2 of 75. The Rams on TV and on the board. But coming up next, let's see. Thomas, did you hear? Is there a Thomas in the house? You should be watching. Who wouldn't want to watch when they get their Trevor Lawrence rookie XRC autograph? Trevor Lawrence. Congrats. No, I don't see the number on this particular one. But who cares? It's Trevor Lawrence. So, Mr. Thomas, I'll leave this sitting up here for you, just in case you decide to join us or speak. But there you go. Trevor Lawrence. Alright, that was our 2021 Leaf Flash. Can't complain about Trevor Lawrence. Alright, let's go see if I can find a bonus pack for tonight. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got.
Thomas says he is indeed here.
I'm glad Thomas is here, because who wouldn't want to see when they get a Trevor Lawrence auto? Congrats, Thomas. I'm glad you're here, buddy.
He just finished Screaming for Joy. That's why it took so long for him to respond.
Awesome. Awesome. There you go, Thomas. Trust me, we'll get that in the box first thing tomorrow. It'll be to you ASAP. Alright, bonus for you guys for joining in. I appreciate you joining in. We have a 2021 Prism hanger pack or value pack. 15 cards and a bonus pack with 3 red, white, and blue prisms in it. So, appreciate you for joining in. I'm glad you were here to see that, man. I was joining a bunch of breaks in the past where that I didn't get to see my hits. And it's a little different when you're actually live watching. So, congrats, man. Alright. 2021 Prism Draft bonus pack. Alright, we got us a Jerry Jeudy, Baker Mayfield, Kenyon Drake, Alvin Kamara, David Johnson. Our Silver Prism, Keenan Allen. On to the Chargers. Silver Prism. Congrats. Our Green, Micah Parsons, Dallas. All-American rookie for them Cowboys. There you go, Dallas. Nice little bonus green prism for you. Alright, our rookies. A couple of them here. Let's see. Alright, we got Nick Bolton. Crusades, Pat Freiermuth. I'm sure I'm butchering that man's name. I hope I'm not, but I didn't watch much Penn State football, so don't hold it against me. And I'm in Carolina. I didn't watch much Carolina football either. What's the point? Michael Carter. Patrick Surtain II. Rookie. Pretty nice one. Alright, and we got Gregory Rousseau. All-American. Congratulations. Nothing wrong with a little free for free. So let's see if we can get a good one in this red, white, and blue pack here. Looks like we did. The back one is pretty nice. The top one is too. So we got some nice bonus cards here. Look out. Never go wrong with Aaron Rodgers. Not his best day today, but we're not going to hold that against him forever. We'll let him live that one down.
He won't practice him because he was all on the beach and the mountains and the hills.
Yeah, he got to have a life too, man. He got a nice little girlfriend now and all that good stuff. Aaron Rodgers. There you go, Aaron. The Packers. All right, we got Jalen Reagor, Eagles. Heard his name a couple times today. I'm not sure if he actually done anything, but I did hear his name. So, Eagles, a nice red, white, and blue prism bonus. And for the Jets, Zach Wilson, Crusades, red, white, and blue prism. Nice bonus card. Congrats, Jets. Alright, that was our bonus. I appreciate you guys for joining. So, whenever I can throw in something, I will. Alright, let's slide Mr. Lawrence back a little bit. Alright, now we got 2021 Leaf Trinity. See if we can beat, it'll be hard to beat that first Leaf box, but hey, we can try. We got Lawrence. See if we can get somebody else. Well, it didn't have top loaders for this one, so that's our little case, our empty box. Alright, now how do they zip tie these? Alright, let's see. There's a top loader shortage. I'm sure y'all all felt it too. But apparently Leaf did too.
Pandemic hitting some of the weirdest ways.
Yeah. Alright, let's see if we get these out of here. Alright, that's another empty case. Alright, let me get me some top loaders. That's regular size. Alright, first up, Josh Johnson. Josh Johnson. Okay, back to back deal, Jets. Jets get the bonus, and now they get the Josh Johnson. So I got the 55 points. Alright, I'm going to get some 55 points, so for now I'm going to slide these to the side. Alright, next up, we have Hunter Long. 30 of 50, blue parallel. Hunter Long. Miami. The Dolphins on the board. Let's see who's the Dolphins. Miami. Brandon H. And this guy's keep making me butcher his name. We have Pat Freiermuth. Pittsburgh. So the Steelers on the board with the Freiermuth. Pittsburgh tonight is Sean J. Congrats, Sean. Let me get a thickie for this one. Apparently my dog want to join the break. He's in there barking. Alright, we got a thick one here. Wow. Wow, this is crazy. Alright, we got Chris Evans. 8 of 75 RPA. Going to Cincy. The Bengals with the Chris Evans. I didn't get any large top loaders. All this stuff will be top loaded. I just don't have them on the table right now. I want to hold you guys up with me running to look for them. Alright, I get Chris Evans. That was Cincy. The Bengals tonight is Daniel A. Congrats, Daniel. And the man of the night, Mr. On Fire, Thomas. You strike again. 5 of 5. Travis Etienne. Jacksonville. On Fire. Wow. 5 of 5 to go along with your Trevor. That's pretty freaking awesome, I tell you. Can't really beat that. So Thomas, congrats again, brother. You're on fire. I'm sure everybody is very envious of the Jaguar spot tonight. So. Alrighty, let's do a quick recap before we get into our mini helmet. Of course, we have Trevor Lawrence. Alright, we got Mr. Etienne of 5, also for the Jaguars. Chris Evans, Bengals, 8 of 75. RPA. Mr. Fearmouth. Steelers. Josh Johnson. Can't remember who he played for, but for the Jets.
He said he should play the lottery.
Yeah, I know. This your night, buddy. Gonna get you a couple tickets tonight, man. Hunter Long. This one was 30 of 50. Like I say, man, it's good to have a night like that, man. Shoot, we all deserve to have a good one. And Hunter Long was a Dolphin. And that was for Brandon. Mr. Atwell popped up a couple times in different forms, shapes, and sizes. What was his name? Andre Cisco. All shiny. Mr. Slayton. Nico Collins. Sam Ellinger. Auto. Dimitri Felton. Richard III. LeConte. Mr. LeConte. The best I could do. Tavante Beckett. Elijah Molden. And Myron Mitchell. Like I say, all these will get immediately packaged after the break. They all will go out tomorrow. So, Thomas, you will have your major hits ASAP.
Hey, no free agents.
Yep, and everybody had a team tonight. Now, let's finish this break off with a nice helmet. We got our 2021 TriStar Autograph Mini Helmet. So, let's see what we can do. It's been a Jacksonville kind of night. Is it going to end with a Jacksonville Mini Helmet? I would not be surprised. Wow. Well, you know, I appreciate you joining us, man. You know, good luck. Most of the time, that's how it happens. First time you break with somebody, then you're going to want to shoot me after this. Next time you come. I can't live up to that every time. That was an amazing break for you, but congrats, buddy. All right, let's get into our mini helmet. Let's find out together who it's going to be. Uh-oh. You can see a little color in there. What y'all think?
Yellow?
Is it a Packer? Wow. It is Green Bay. Who is it? Any guesses? Hall of Fame 2013. I think we had this guy before. Dave Robinson. Let's see. Voted to 1960s All-Decade Team by the members of the Hall of Fame Selection Committee. Wow. So, okay. Pro Football Hall of Fame 2013. Yeah, they wonder where they found this man at on his yacht relaxing and hounding him for some signatures. But there we go, Green Bay. Who is Green Bay tonight? Terry J. There you go with your Dave Robinson. Cool. Hall of Famer. Packers, so hey, can't beat that. Alright, that was a nice break. I appreciate everybody for joining. Thomas, you're the man. Tonight's your night. If you're married, you know, go holler at your wife. It might be a lucky night all the way around, man. You never know. Alrighty. Y'all have a good night. I hope to see you next time. I think we got some breaks listed, a couple randoms. We have another break, I believe, for Thursday night, and then we'll constantly be here on Sunday. So, hey, join us if you feel like it. If not, y'all take care and congrats. All right, man. Good night to everyone. Y'all be safe.